So what we're gonna be doing today.
You're crazy what we're doing.
What's up guys, welcome back to Coralfish 12G. Just got back from Aquashella, Orlando. It was our biggest and best one yet. We had almost 7,000 people attend. Thank you guys if you came to the event. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you missed Aquashella Orlando, we have 2 more events coming up this year. So we got Aquashella Chicago, August 14th and 15th. And then we have Dallas on Halloween, which is October 31st, obviously. But today, we're gonna be working on the indoor pond. We got our fish in here, but there's still a lot of work left to be done. We're actually gonna be installing some lights to help liven the whole thing up. All right, so we got all these lights, and we got the pump, and we gotta get in the pond.
Hi, George,
I'm
sorry.
not going in the pond.
Okay, no.
We got your bathing suit right here.
No. Do you want me to go inside the pond? No.
Go shorty, it's your birthday. We gon' party like it's your birthday. We gon' sip a party like it's your birthday. And you know we don't give up, it's like your birthday. You'll find me in the club, bottle full of bug. Mama, I got what you need if you need to fill a bug. I'm in to have the sex, I ain't into making love. So come give me a hug if you're into getting rough. You'll find me in the club, bottle full of bug. Mama, I got what you need if you need to fill a bug. I'm in to have the sex, I ain't into making love. So come give me a hug if you're into getting rough. When I pull up out front, shit depends on do. When I roll 20 deep, so much drama in the club. Now that I roll with Dre, everybody show me love. Can you sell like them and let me love? You know me ain't nothing changed. Roll down, these up, these it in the cutting, man. Roll them trees up. Watch how I move, you step before I play up here.
George, this is crazy. Do you know how much water came out of the pond once you guys jumped in? That snapper, that's what we're gonna have for dinner tonight.
So the one my dad's calling a red snapper is a classic, very traditional Japanese koi called a koaku. And he's all red. So if I were to enter any of these koi in a competition, I'd probably enter my koaku because he's just got like a really good body shape. All the koi, their body shapes are a little bit different. The koaku has what would be considered the closest to perfect. The biggest koi we have is this silver one. You'll see that there's 2 koi. One is like a sparkly silver and one is a sparkly gold. And I got these on purpose because I thought they literally mimicked like jewels. The gold one is called a chagoi. And the silver one is called a saragoi. You can see they look like almost like a gold bar and like diamonds. They're really cool. Then we got this little orange one right here. He's tiger because he's all orange with some black stripes. Tiger is an orange oga. There's 2 koi in here that have stayed really small since I got them, and that's Culver and Tiger. And I don't know why, I'm not really sure. I think certain breeds of koi just get bigger faster than others. For example, like chagois just tend to get like humongous. They're like Garfield cats. Then the brother and sister, we don't really have names for them other than Shintaro 1 and Shintaro 2. They came from the same breeder, Shintaro, one of the coolest, most amazing and friendly and generous koi breeders that we met in Japan.
Can this make babies?
They can. I don't know their sexes. Like I don't know which ones are male and which ones are female. I'm not entirely sure how the process of breeding koi works.
It's a good thing I do. It's a whole process and it's gross. I gotta get in here and do some things.
Oh, you know,
I'm not so proud.
You know the process? George, this one looks really weird.
So this is a really cool type of koi. This is called a sushui, and you'll see the sushui is a scaleless koi. Koi that have no scales are called doitsus. One of the few breeds of doitsus is a sushui. It refers to that line that you see that goes down the back of his spine. But if you were to feel this koi, he's super smooth. He doesn't have scales, and they've bred it that way to be perfectly smooth.
Do you know his name, Dad?
Maybe we can call it him Theodore Jr. after me.
No, we named him Fanta after our favorite drink.
The final one is this. It's black, white, and orange. And it's a pretty cool fish as well.
So, do this fish will stay here for the rest of their lives, or are you gonna take them outside to the pond?
Originally the plan was to keep the koi in here only in the winter and then move them back outside during the summer. But some of them are just getting like so big that, I don't know, we're probably gonna have to leave a couple of the big ones in here and only let some of the smaller ones be outside. All right, so we got the lights. So these are 5-watt LED color changing spotlights. These are from Aquascape Inc. They're underwater lights. You can use them above your pond or inside your pond. And it should make the pond look a lot better because you can see the koi pretty well, but I think some light will definitely bring the pond to life. All right, what do you think, Yanni?
I think it looks super cool with the lights on. Usually when it's dark in here, you can't really see what's going on in there, but now with the lights, it's kind of cool to see a different perspective of the fish. You can really see their color, and yeah, I think it looks really good.
Yeah, this is cool, man. It's a cool effect for sure. Well, I'd say this job is done for now. Should we head outside and do the outdoor ones?
Sure.
Hey, Mom. What you doing?
Just watering my garden.
Using your new shoes.
I am. Isn't it beautiful? Look at those over there.
What about these?
That's a thyme. Look at how beautiful those flowers are. I love it. Love
What
it.
about these?
This is my favorite. They're called swan's neck, and I planted one plant. Now it just keeps spreading, which is incredible.
What about the lilies?
I love the lilies. The white lily is about to open. You can see it there.
That green stuff looks super cool, the way it's like growing into the
This,
water.
I bought a plant this big, George, and I put it there. All the way back there behind the swan's neck, they just grow like crazy. I love them.
Mom, you've done a great job with the pond. Keep it up. So Yanni and I are now going to install some lights to surround the pond. They're kind of like those like really cozy outdoor string lights.
So you can see the fish a little bit better.
Yeah, just so we can enjoy the pond at night, sit around it and enjoy it. It'll create a really cool ambiance, I think. So
That'll be beautiful.
we got these LED lights from Costco. They're on sale. So we picked up 2 of them, and they're string lights. So we want to hang these around the outdoor pond to give it a really nice effect. And I think for the summer, it'll be super cool.
Yeah, I think it'll just kind of complete the look. It's been how long since you put the pond in?
Almost 2 years now.
After like 2 years, the whole garden has really come together. So I think putting the lights up around it will really just complete the look.
Absolutely. Cousin Jack. Last time he was out here with us, he got bit by the piranha. He did not bite me. He did? Dude, look at his head.
This time you're gonna help us set up some poles.
Sweet.
What up, fellas? Fear the deer.
That's it?
No, there's more. Oh, wait, there he goes.
All right, guys, I think it came out pretty good. Massive thank you to Cousin Jack for helping us string up these lights.
Yeah, honestly, it was a lot of time and effort than we imagined going into this. Who knew setting up 4 poles would be that hard, but all in all, it came together pretty well.
Some announcements. My Columbia series, it's coming out in 2 short weeks. Stay tuned for that. I went into the Amazon with Heiko Blair. It's gonna be a super exciting series, and we're gonna be rolling those videos out in the coming months. So keep your eye out for that first video. Make sure to follow me on my Instagram at CoilFish12G. I'll see you guys in the next one. But until then, remember to keep those nitrates low. George, out.
You're just the star of the show today, aren't you?
In Greek, they call them papuchi. Papuchi.
Putia.
Would you wear these in Greece?
Absolutely.
Yeah, we're gonna wear
I think he likes them so much, you might wear them to bed.
Maybe I should fit you too. Good catch, Yanni.
It's like the ocean, Dad. You should come.
No, I'll pass, thank you.
We can do laps. Ready?
How do these work?
So you
Ow, dude, the koi just bit my toe.